From the WordPress dashboard, choose Appearance and then select Widgets from it. Here you can see sidebar widgets, 4 optional sidebar options, and 4 footer widgets options. Go to your site, and here on the right, you can see all the sidebar widgets. So let's make some changes. Remove any option from here. For example, we remove this Archives widget. Just drag and drop to the left side at the Available widget area. Now go back to your site and refresh it. You can see that option has also been removed from here. Below we have Meta option. Now go back to Widgets. Select this Meta option. You can delete this option permanently from here, or you can drag it out. We will remove this Meta option with this Delete option below, and on site, you can see it is already removed from here. So here we have got so many different widgets. If you want to add some more, you can add anything you want from here. Choose the one you want to add, and then drag and drop them to their respective positions. For this one, it needs a title and the number of comments you want to show in it. You can set it accordingly and then click on this Save button. If you add pages, it will need different subcategories. If you don't want to fill up, click on this Done button. So it's added. You can change their positions just by dragging and dropping them there. So now we have got 2 recent comments. We will delete one and shuffle it also a little bit more. Then go back to your site and refresh it. You can see your new widgets have been added here. So it is Search, Recent Posts, Categories. Go back to Widgets and you will see it is the same. Search, Recent Posts, Categories in the Sidebar Options. Now we will add footer widgets. We have 4 footer widgets in this theme. You can choose the widgets from the sidebar, or you can add new widgets also from the left here. You can add new widgets to footer widget 1 or footer widget 2, or so on. Choose the widget, drag and drop it into the widget position. Now back on site, refresh it, and you can see at the bottom a new footer widget is added. Add the page title and click on this Save button. Again, refresh your site and the name is changed. If you want to change widget position, you can change it from here, and it will be updated on your site also. So that's pretty much everything with the widgets. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Users option. We'll see step by step how to edit your user's profile and add new users on WordPress. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn everything about the dashboard's Users option. We'll see step by step how to edit your user's profile and add new users on WordPress. So let's get started. On WordPress dashboard, choose Users. You have 3 sub-options: All Users, Add New, and Your Profile. You can also edit your profile from here on the top right. Here on top is your username. Click on it to open your profile. You can also click on this Your Profile option of the dashboard to land on this page. Let's go back to Home, and then from Users, choose Your Profile option. So we are back on this page. Here is your username, and you can see it below also, which you cannot change. Then you can enter your first name and last name. Next is your nickname. It is mandatory. Whatever you will enter, you can choose it as your display name from this drop-down list. Enter a new nickname, and you can see it is added in the display name list. So choose your display name. It may be the same as your nickname or different. Now your email ID. It is also mandatory and already filled. Next is your website. Insert your site URL from the search bar. Then you can add some biographical info and your profile picture. After setting everything, click on this Update Profile button. You can also change your password from here. Click on this Generate Password button. It is suggesting a strong password. You can hide it also. Then set the password of your choice. So on top, you'll have Dashboard Settings option. From here, you can change the dashboard's color scheme. Now go to the All Users option, and here it is showing all the users. You can see the role is set to the administrator here. To add a new user, you can go to this Add New button. Also, you can choose Add New option from the dashboard. So click on this Add New button and the form opens. Insert username and email ID as both the fields are mandatory. Then enter first name and last name. Next is your website link. Click on Send User Notification and the notification will be sent on the provided mail ID. Set the role. You can choose subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or even administrator. Set the role and click on this Add New User button. So here we can see the user is successfully added. Here are your email ID and username. You can edit, delete, or view it from here. To delete, click on this Delete and then on Confirm Deletion button. So now the user has been deleted. That's pretty much everything with the users. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Tools option. From the WordPress dashboard, choose Tools. Here it is showing a tool named Categories and Tags Converter is available to import. Here inside Tools, we have sub-options like Available Tools, Import, Export, Site Health, Export Personal Data, and Erase Personal Data. So choose this Import option from here, and it says if you have posts and comments in another system, WordPress can import those into the site. You just need to choose a system from below to import them. So here we have Blogger, LiveJournal, Tumblr, and WordPress also. It is showing what it will import. So let's install this Blogger. Click on Install Now button. Then click on this Run Importer option. Here you need to upload your Blogger exported XML file. Click on this Choose File button to select the file to upload. And then click on this Upload File and Import button. The next submenu is Export. If you choose this, WordPress will create an XML for you to export. It will contain your posts, pages, and everything else. You have to save the XML file and import it into another WordPress installation to import this site's content. Now choose what you need to export. You can choose all content or anything from posts, pages, contact forms, and media. Select Content and click on Download Export File button. You can see the XML file is downloaded successfully. Next is Site Health. Click on it. So here it is showing important information about your WordPress site. Below it is showing 3 recommended improvements. You need to remove inactive themes, PHP update, and last is your site doesn't use HTTPS. Here it is not a secure site. If you want additional details, click on this arrow, and here it is explaining what exactly you need to fix. It's for all the recommendations, and if you want help with it, you can click on this provided link. So next is Export Personal Data. Click on it. Here it is empty and showing a message that an email will be sent to the user to the provided email address to verify the export request. The last one is Erase Personal Data. Click on it. Here also the requesters column is empty, and it will also verify first before proceeding. So that's pretty much everything with the Tools option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's Settings option. We'll see step by step how to change your settings.